Hello.
Hello.
Oh, there is something. All the birds are screaming a lot.
Yes, there may be any strange animal that is creating a thrill for all these birds.
Oh, there are a number of different types of birds. Magpie is there, babbler, woodpecker, manna.
Yes, this is an alarm call.
They all come together and are calling very harshly. Let us search something strange is there that is disturbing all these animals.
Oh, I have seen something crawling in branches.
Where? I also want to see that creature.
Oh, now it is completely visible.
Oh, this is rat snake?
It is really a rat snake, are you sure?
Not 100%, but I am so to 85% sure this is a rat snake and in Hindi we call it dhamen.
Oh, how do you know all these things about the snake?
I have read about poisonous and non-poisonous snakes of India and there I found this type of snake also.
Is this snake is poisonous or not?
Actually, what you call poison of snake, it is called venom. And this rat snake is non-venomous if it is a rat snake then.
Oh, venom.
Yes, venom.
Tell me something more about this snake.
Whatever I know about this snake, I have almost told you. But I read that how can we identify that a snake is venomous or non-venomous?
Wow, it's interesting. Please tell.
The eyelids of snakes are immovable. Cornea is permanently protected with a transparent membrane, which together with the lack of eyeball mobility gives snakes their cold, unblinking stare that most of us find so unnerving.
Non-venomous. Wow, it's interesting. Please tell me how can you distinguish as poisonous snake from non-venomous snake?
Okay.
If the tail is laterally flattened and it is a sea snake, then it is poisonous as all sea snakes are poisonous. If, on the other hand, the tail is long, rounded, cylindrical, and whip like, it may be or may not be poisonous. In such cases, examine the arrangement of scales on the ventral surface of the snake. If it is covered by small scales or the ventral scales are somewhat broad as shown in the figure, then it is a non-poisonous snake. But if the ventral scales are large, transverse plates extending fully across the ventral side or belly, it may or not be poisonous. To find out the further, examine the dorsal surface of the head of the snake. If the head is covered by small dorsal scales, then it is a viper and all viper species are poisonous. If there is a loreal pit between the nostril and eye, then it is a pit viper.
Most snakes have relatively poor vision, with the exception of some of the arboreal snakes that have excellent binocular vision. Snakes lack external and middle ears but do have internal ears. They can detect ground vibrations within a limited range of low frequencies, 100 to 700 Hz, through their skull bones. Most snakes, however, use chemical sense rather than vision and hearing to hunt their prey. For this, snakes possess, in addition to the usual olfactory areas in the nose, which are not well developed, a pair of pit-like chemosensory organs in the roof of the mouth called the Jacobson's organ, each of which has ducts opening far forward on the palate.